If you're looking to cancel your Beehiiv account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it confidently and make sure nothing important gets left behind. I'll show you how to downgrade your plan, clean up any publications or workspaces you own, and then delete your account the right way. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account using the email and password associated with the account you want to cancel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Beehiiv keeps most of your account options, including billing and settings. From the menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Billing and Plan section. This area controls your subscription and account plan, so this is the first place you need to go if you want to cancel or close things down properly. Inside Billing and Plan, you should see an option that says Downgrade to Launch Plan. Click that option. Beehiiv may use this step to move your account off a paid plan before allowing full account deletion. Make sure you read any prompt or message on the screen so you understand what will happen next. After that, confirm the downgrade. This is an important step because it officially switches your account to the launch plan. Depending on your account status, Beehiiv may require this before you can proceed with deletion, so don't skip it. Once the downgrade is complete, go back into settings again. Now you need to check for any publications or workspaces that are still attached to your account. If you own any publications or workspaces, you'll need to either delete them or transfer ownership first. This is important because Beehiiv usually won't let you fully remove the account until those items are handled. Take your time here and make sure everything is transferred or removed properly. If you have active projects, subscribers, or content stored in those publications, double check that you're not deleting something you still need. If necessary, move ownership to another team member or export anything important before continuing. After that cleanup is done, open your account profile settings. You may need to click back into your profile area or account settings depending on how Beehiiv lays out the interface at the time you're watching this. Look for the Delete Account option. Click Delete Account, and Beehiiv should ask you to confirm the deletion request. This is the final step, so make sure you're absolutely sure before you continue. Once you confirm, your account deletion request will be submitted and your Beehiiv account will be set for removal based on their process. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to cancel your Beehiiv account the right way, starting with downgrading your plan, handling any publications or workspaces, and then deleting the account. If this video was helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make software easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.